The human kidneys are vital organs responsible for filtration and balance. There are 2 kidneys lie on either side of the vertebral column below the rib cage. Kidney enclose in the renal capsule that protects the kidney from damage. Now we take a longitudinal section for the observation of internal structure of a kidney. The outer region of kidney is renal cortex, and the inner region of the kidney is renal medulla. The renal medulla is divided into cone-shaped structures called renal pyramids. Renal columns are extensions of renal cortex that lie between the renal pyramids. The renal pelvis is a funnel-shaped cavity at the center of the kidney. It collects urine. The nephron is the functional unit of the kidney that filters blood and forms urine. The ureter is a narrow muscular tube that carries urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. Renal hilum is an opening in kidney through which blood vessels in the ureter pass. Renal artery supplies blood to the kidney, and renal vein drains filtered blood away. This is the complete anatomical overview of the human kidney. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel for more animated videos.